now since you've come to Little Joys and we've worked with Alexia and Alisha to use AACs,
Yes.
how do you feel that has made a difference in both Alexia and Alisha's life and your life as like in the family's life?
It is almost 2 years we are with Little Joys, and when we came first, like we were being introduced AAC, which we were also not aware of that this can help my children to communicate. So eventually we started, maybe something will happen, and then we started using at home as well. Basic questions we used to ask them. But now after 2 years, I feel now they are able to communicate their needs, and sometimes they are relating also the things as last year when their birthday was there in October. So that time we just asked them on the AAC like, what do you want gift for your birthday? So that time they could type, and they could write also and type also, and tell, okay, Alexia said she want a ball pool, and Avisha said she want a big ball. So then we brought them those, and similarly, in fact, next month, their birthday is coming again.
Yeah.
So again, we are asking them, "Ki, what you want?" So just a week back, we attended one birthday party of one of the boy. So it was like in the mall, and we went to the Funky Monkey, and there was child play area. So the Avisha typed, "I want to party."
Oh,
So she typed, "I want to party, kids party." So we were like, okay, she's relating the things now.
correct.
And Alexia said, "I want to jump on the trampoline." So this is what they already did in my birthday party. So like they're relating things. Okay, this is how I can also celebrate my birthday. Or then I ask them, okay, what you will do, which cake you will eat. So they are now able to communicate. Also their pain they are able to express. So we have made a folder, where every part of the body is there, and whenever something is paining, they are just pointing and telling me, okay, my shoulder is paining, my tooth is paining. So this has been happening. So we are very happy. Using AAC, because at least we are getting know what they are feeling, their emotions, and even when they are angry, also they are expressing
Yeah.
their things. So it is very useful. So I will recommend. All parents who are children are non-verbal, they should definitely use AAC. So that way they will be able to know. I'm not saying your children's happiness, but at least their sadness you can know
Yeah.
what is making their pain, and whatever is if they are in pain, at least that they can share with you.
Yeah.
So this has been very helpful for us.
Thank you for sharing this, and that the fact that you're vouching for AACs, because so many parents are so worried that if I use AACs, my child will never speak, right? But the whole point is we're giving them another way to communicate until such time that verbal speech comes. In the meanwhile, at least you're able to understand what the child wants, doesn't want, when they're in pain. If you remember the incident that recently happened, would you like to share about how they said about, Amisha said about being upset about having...
Yeah, Avisha, so what happened is she was just playing with the trapeze, and with excitement, or I don't know what, she just broke the TV. And then she knew everyone is upset. So when she came for the therapy, she typed with the help of her therapist that I am sad, mommy is sad, daddy is sad. So she's getting those emotions, those feelings.
Yeah.
Okay, everybody is sad, and then she said, I will not break
Yeah.
the things. So that's how she's understanding now, and she's not expressing also.
Right.
So that
So
is
yeah,
good.
so it's not that the emotions weren't there. It's just that she's now found a way of
Sharing,
expressing those
expressing,
emotions.
yeah.